Hey, my name is Raynard. I am a student at CYDI. My experience was bowling at the CYDI team it was awesome. I ain't gonna lie, it was awesome. We had fun. We the best bowling team, just to let y'all know. Just throwing that in there. The music can be slight. They be letting us play what we want. Be up in there jamming, playing that slow music, old people music. Everybody know how to bowl. The other teams, we just know we gonna win. I got interest in bowling because I'm a very athletic person, and I think it's fun. Key Marley is probably one of the best bowlers. Sterling is another one. Me and Mari, the other Mari, Kamari. CYDI, I don't think no team ever mess with us, and I think we'll win any competition that's coming up. Hey, my name is Raynard. Thank y'all for listening.